Good day, students. Are you using word processing applications and productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation for your activities and other requirements in school? Or do you also need video conferencing applications for your online classes? But need to buy subscriptions? If yes, then you're in a right video. Because I will be teaching you on how to activate Microsoft Office 365 account. But before that, I would like to give a little background of what is Microsoft Office 365. This is one of the most updated version of Microsoft Office and has productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote, MS Teams for video conferencing and a lot more. Another advantage of Office 365 is that it has both offline and online capabilities. Therefore, we can work on our documents offline and we can access it online as well. Also, Office 365 has OneDrive with unlimited cloud storage and you don't need to buy just to expand it. Another feature of your Office 365 account is that we can install this to 5 laptops or desktops, 5 mobile phones and 5 tablets. And you can get all these features of the Office 365 for free. The Department of Education will provide us the subscriptions, however they need to register it under our name, learner's reference number, and name of our school. That is why, our Office 365 account should never be for sale. So, let us proceed on how to activate it. First, you need to connect to any source of internet connection. Open any browser. In the search bar, type office.com. Click Enter. Click Sign In. Now, let's input our Office 365 account following the format, lrn@car.deped.gov.ph. Then click Next. Input our password. Then click Sign In. Office.com will prompt us to change our temporary password for security purposes. Input our temporary password or our current password. Then we create new password. In making your password, there should be at least one capital letter, lowercase, a number and a special character. Then confirm it by retyping your new password. Always remember that the new password should not be related to your personal information and you should find it easy to remember. Then click Sign In. Click Never for security purposes, then click Next. There are 2 ways on how to recover your account in case you forgot your password. First is authentication through email. Click Set It Up Now. Then provide your personal email where the one-time PIN or verification code should be sent every time we will be resetting our password. Make sure that your personal email is active and you have access on it. Then click Email Me. Check your personal email for verification code. Input the verification code here, then click Verify Me. The other option is through security questions. I advise you to set this one also, so that in case you can't remember your email address, then you can use the security questions. Click Set Them Up Now. There are 5 security questions here that you need to provide answer. These questions will be shuffled during the recovery process, that is why I advise you to provide answers that you can easily remember and always have a record for future reference. Make sure that you provide answers to all questions and these buttons turn green. Then click Save Answers. Then click Finish. This will be the interface of your Office 365 account. You have your account logo here where you can see your account details and where you can sign out your account. These are the productivity tools that you can use for Office 365. You can use these tools for online documents. But if you want to use the offline version of it, then connect to a better internet connection, and click this Install Office button here to start the installation of Office 365 on your device. So that's how to activate Office 365 Students account. If you don't have Students account yet, please contact your advisor. I hope this video helped you in setting up your Office 365 Students account. See you on our next video tutorials and have a nice day.